Cape Town, South Africa. The 2019 Audi A7 is a stone-cold fox, plain and simple. From its rakish squint to its faceted tail, the new Sportback updates the design-centric theme that originated in 2009 with striking, fresh sheet metal. But while the original A7's big hatchback layout was a novel packaging exercise paired with a somewhat compromised rear seat experience, the new model takes a number of technological leaps forward that add some much-wanted substance to that style. For starters, the new A7 shares enough advanced features with the tech-laden A8 to make it among the most sophisticated sedans on the planet, though Audi isn't sharing all of those bells and whistles with the US market. More on that later. When the A7 drops in the fourth quarter of 2018, it will be launched with the same Trick 3.0 TFSI V6 found in the A8, at least until the sportier S8 arrives with a gruntier V8. Producing 340 horsepower and 368 pounds-to-foot of torque, the entry-model V6 is a mild hybrid that uses an integrated starter generator on a 48-volt platform that enables up to 12 kilowatts of energy recuperation. This powertrain is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch S-tronic gearbox. The so-called belt alternator generator, BAS, is capable of coasting with the engine off within certain speed ranges, though US models won't have the coasting feature at launch. While we're bursting your bubble, we should probably also mention that the A7 won't be offered, at least initially, with the A8's mind-boggling predictive suspension system that scans road surfaces ahead and uses electromechanical dampers to raise the body and control wheel travel, ensuring a silky ride. Instead, the A7 will come with a standard steel spring setup at launch, and an adaptive air suspension will likely be offered as an option. Slide into the new A7, and its redesigned cabin presents a dramatically updated look and feel over the outgoing model. There are pleasantly sculpted interior surfaces with available wood veneer treatments which gently arc and flow with those creases, all clever design features whose only contradictory elements are the oddly out of place, and disappointingly inauthentic, fake rear tailpipes that have spawned throughout the Audi lineup. While exterior proportions remain unchanged, the A7's new aluminum and steel chassis expands half an inch in wheelbase and 0.8 inches in interior length, boosting legroom, headroom, and knee room for rear passengers. Access to those rear seats now involves less head banging, while the slick, frame-restored design has thankfully been retained. Trunk volume grows to 18.9 cubic feet, or 49.1 cubic feet with the rear seat down, enough space to place 2 golf bags sideways.